For many of us, Father Time is telling us it's time to start cleaning the garden up for winter.
This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com.
For many gardeners, fall or late fall is a time of reflection and cleanup of the garden so it can be ready to present a new crop in the spring. Now, you do not want to swipe everything off of the garden and make it a bare slate right now. There are many insects that depend and rely on using dead plants as a place to live during the cold winter months. You can remove the diseased plants and the infected plants and dispose of them properly based on the type of disease in which you may have on them. And there are plants in which you can plant now, such as garlic, or even a quick-growing crop as radishes. There are season extenders in which you can purchase or make of your own in order to prolong the life of the garden and what you already have growing in it. You can begin preparing the garden for next spring by bringing in fallen leaves from your property or the street or neighbors' properties, just making sure that they weren't treated with some form of toxicity of chemicals, whether sprayed or injected into the tree to control insects or bugs or diseases. Mound them up on the grow area 2 or 3 foot high, and then if they are still there in the spring, you can simply bring them back off the soil, plant, and use them as a living mulch. Get your garden ready for spring planting next year.
This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com.